Hey guys, this is John again from SoundShield. We're in my shop today up here in Anchorage, Alaska, and I wanted to show you the new gasket material. So basically, gasket here, you can see it's about an 1/8 inch thick, and this is a closed cell acoustic foam, and it also has our adhesive that we're really proud of this adhesive. It works really, really well. So I want to kind of show you how big the sheet is. Like I say, it's 18 by 32. And this is the size of my laser bed. I know there's a bunch of different size lasers, bigger, smaller, whatever, but this will accommodate a lot of stuff. So like I was showing you the other ring before, you can see how much space that takes up on the ring. So you actually can do a couple at a time, which is pretty cool. And that's kind of the idea. So the box that you get, it comes with 12 sheets. And again, 18 by 32, adhesive backed. Very simple. You're going to take this side, logo side down. You're going to put that on your laser bed. Then you're going to get your acrylic material. Obviously, this one's already cut. And then you would just get your block, put that on the material. And then when you put that on the material, the adhesive is gonna stick to it, like I was saying. And then when your laser goes, it's gonna cut through both materials at the same time. Super cool. And save you time, and again, the precision is gonna be so nice because every single hole, if you're cutting all your mounting holes on the laser plan, it's going to show that in here too, and then all those will be perfect, so you don't have any jagged edges or anything like that. Anyway, just something that we've always said SoundShield's made by installers for installers, and here's my shop, and this is where we use it, and we use SoundShield every day, so I know it works good for you guys. So anyway, you should definitely check it out. Let me know if you got any questions. Send me pictures. I love to share stuff for you guys. All right. Hey, if you guys want to find out any more information about our new gasket material, definitely check out my website, soundshieldUSA.com, and also check us out on Instagram and Facebook, SoundShield.